Are you ready to eat? Are you ready to eat? Okay, there's your spoon. Now I have my spoon. Alright. Ready? I know, look. Here it comes. Here it comes. You did it! You did it! Yes, you did! Okay, now let me hold on to this. And you hold on to your spoon. Okay, next one. Next one. Yummy! Yummy! Yummy in your tummy. Okay, next one. Look at this. Yeah, just like that. You're getting so good at this. This is your first time. It's your first time. It is. It is. Yeah, like that. Now this one. Look how good you're doing. Look how good you're doing. You're actually eating it. You're actually eating it. I didn't think you'd do that. Okay, come here. We gotta readjust. We gotta readjust. Here, this way. Put this side in your mouth. That side. That side goes in your mouth. Perfect. Yummy. It feels funny, doesn't it? You breathe out on that one. You're so funny. Okay. Okay. Where'd your spoon go? Here's your spoon. Did you get a little distracted? There's your spoon. We're almost done. We're almost done. Yeah, like that. Like that. Okay, look over here. Look over here. I'm almost done. This is definitely different. This is definitely different, huh? You want the whole bowl? I need a plastic bowl, because you're going to be going for that bowl. Look at all that. Look at all that. I'm almost done. I'm scraping the edges. Wow, you're going for it. I am so amazed. I didn't think you'd learn this quick. Here, last bite. Maybe one more bite. Come up here. This seems to be a bit of a distraction. Up here. Up here. Yeah, put it in your mouth. Perfect. You did it. Perfect. That was perfect. You're so good at it. Okay, let me see if I can get one more. Not really. I got a drop. You're so good at it. You're so good at it. Now for the fun part. You get 2 spoons. One in each hand. Ta-da! Can you get it in your mouth? goes that one. I bet you're still hungry, huh? I bet you're still hungry, huh? Whoa! Oh, blah, blah, blah. What did I do? I was really surprised. You want some more? You're like, how do I get this in my mouth? Okay, we're done.